Okay, to get started off with this pecan pie, I'm going to spray my pie pan. It's really cold. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit. That way I can press it together. Y'all stay tuned, and if y'all want to join in, me and Resa from Recipes with Resa, we are going to be doing a cake mix cookie collaboration, and we're going to do a platter. And if you want to do it with us, you just do 3 different kinds of cookies. And then we're going to upload our videos on December 1st. And you can just put hashtag cake mix cookie platter. And this will give everybody a chance to look at different kinds of cookies for Christmas that they can fix. They could do a platter and fix all their different cookies for Christmas. It was such a great idea. Resa came up with this, and it was a really great idea. I'm so thankful she did. After this starts warming up, then you can kind of piece it together. In a cake mix cookie, you use any kind of cake mix that you would like. A stick of melted butter, 2 eggs, and some vanilla, and then you could add whatever you want to. You can add coconut, you can add chocolate, pecans, whatever you can think of. So we're hoping that we'll get a lot of different flavors, and people can just choose whatever they would like to fix. I thought it was such a great idea. I'm just going to pinch these together a little bit to make a little decoration. I'm not a very good decorator. I like things to look rustic looking. Now I just want to take a fork and kind of poke holes all in it. I'm going to bake this a little bit before I put the filling in it to make sure that we're going to have a crunchy crust, crispy crust. Maybe just like 5 minutes. Give it a head start. Okay, for the pie ingredients, I've got to use 3 eggs at room temperature. Okay, and you want to whisk these up. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, After you get this mixed up really well, then you want to add your cup of corn syrup. And I'm just using the white today because that's all I have. I really like using the brown, but I don't have it today. Okay, then you want to mix this up. Now you want to add 1.5 cups of pecans. I'm gonna set this aside and get my pie crust. Okay, I baked my pie crust for about 5 minutes. This is a trick I learned on Shovelhead H channel. He sprays his pie crust first before he adds his filling, and it's supposed to keep it from getting soggy. It stays crunchy. So now you just want to pour this mixture in there. Kind of spread the pecans around. Okay, you put this in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour. The center should still be a little jiggly. Ooh, look at that pie. Don't that look so good? And it's still a little jiggly in the middle. You can see it jiggles. So I'm gonna let it cool and I'll show you what it looks like when I cut a piece. See how good that looks. Now everybody, don't forget about the cookie collaboration. The cake mix cookie collaboration platter. Uploaded on December the 1st. Made 3 different kinds of cookies out of the cake mixes. And just put hashtag cake mix cookie platter on there.